How to add filters to Snapchat. Adding filters to Snapchat is super easy. Whether you are a Snapchat newbie or just looking for fresh tricks, this trick will show you how to unlock all of the Snapchat filters. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat. Your camera screen will be opened. Now hold your face on the screen for selfie filters or point at an object, whichever you want to record. Okay, let's say I recorded this. Now swipe left or right. You can see you have just added a filter like this. Swipe left and you will get many filters option right here. Swipe through it and change your filter like this. Super simple, right? Repeat the same process for another one. Okay, let's say you recorded a video using a back camera. Now once you record your video, simply swipe left like this to change its filter. In this way, you can add filters to your photos and videos from Snapchat. I hope this helped. If this helped, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.